I'm Rupinder Mahal, Vice Principal Khalsa College International Public School, Ranjit Avenue, Amritsar. My topic is career opportunities after plus 2 in humanities. How to choose the best stream for yourself after 10th class. Identify your interest. Primarily, you need to identify your area of interest, which subjects you enjoy studying the most. Based upon your interest, you can make a fair choice between choosing commerce, science, or arts stream. Discover your strength. It is also important to discover your strengths, keeping in mind the subjects that you are most likely to score in. Future prospects. You can grow in which particular field in the future. Your career depends entirely upon the choice you make right now. Career counseling. You should also get career counseling by a renowned counselor who can help you to know if the chosen stream will benefit you in the upcoming years. Budget. Financial budget is one of the most important factor while choosing a stream. What are the different streams for students after plus 2? For decades, the three most popular streams are again science, commerce, arts or humanities. One thing I want to tell you that according to new NEP 2020, students can choose any subject or of any stream. However, students now have an option to choose a vocational stream as that helps them to chase their dreams. I'm teaching to humanities students so that I will tell you about the career in humanities. Humanities or arts. Humanities is the most explored and widest stream out of all. Students who have a zeal to explore subjects like psychology, philosophy, sociology, political science, history, geography, journalism, etc. can opt for humanities. If you wish to explore creativity and aspire to become a master of your dream career, you can opt for humanities. You must avoid the following mistakes when choosing your desired stream. Lack of thorough research. Ensure that you do proper research about the stream. Lack of such research can lead to wrong choices and a lifetime regret. Ignoring your instincts. Know your instincts. Make a choice that matches your interest and your strengths. Peer pressure. Most students choose the wrong stream because of the peer pressure from their parents or their friends. Do not let the people near you who suppress your interests. No expert counseling. Most parents do not like concept of career counseling. For them, you can choose your own stream as own choice. Which courses are best for humanities students after plus 2? BA courses after 12th humanities are Bachelor of Social Work, Bachelor of Travel and Tourism Management, Journalism and Mass Communication, Bachelor of Design, Education in Blog, Bachelor of Interior Design, Bachelor of Event Management, Bachelor of Fashion Design, Bachelor of Design in Animation, Bachelor of Arts. BA is a 3-year program according to which students study social sciences, visual arts, performing arts, other arts or both. Hospitality, religion, anthropology, psychology, philosophy, sociology, BA LLB. The type of job you can pursue depends upon the course you complete after 10 plus 2 in humanities. Some of the best career options in humanities are English teacher, graphic designer, lawyer, psychologist. I will discuss some more career options in political science. Civil servants. Civil servants are behind the successful implementation of policies and administration. They work from the ground level to develop the country. Becoming an IAS, IPS or IFS officer is considered one of the most respectable profession in India. The officers play an important role in the execution law and order in the country. Policy analysis. Political science develops strong critical thinking, writing and research skills. The job of policy analysts is to evaluate the impacts of adopting a policy. They do extensive research on the existing situation, identify the problems, and come up with the solution. This is a great career option for political science students, and they are an excellent fit for the job. Law. The law of the Indian state as well as the Indian constitution is a significant component of the syllabus of political science. A fair understanding of political science gives a good perspective of political behavior and political activities. Legislative assistant. Most people are unaware of the fact that members of parliament and other elected representatives and officials have often hire assistants who can help them with their legislative duties. These hires are professionally known as legislative assistants who work in the close collaboration with their MPs to search the policy issues, pending legislation, and inquire the problems of the citizen. Social media manager. From political candidates, officials, and parties to interest groups, every individual or organization in the public eye needs a strong social media presence. Their presence further needs to be managed by social media experts who understand politics and current issues well. Some social media is working as a tool to bridge the gap between legislator and citizen. It's a good career scope in political science. Journalism. Political science graduates make excellent journalism and reporters. Students can do degree or diploma in journalism or mass communication or start working directly after graduation. Journalism is a fantastic career option for political science graduates. Marketing research analysis. Political science graduates are required to study the flow of power in political subsystems which allows them to understand how to market a particular product across geographies to maximize its impact. Student can pursue MBA or enter into the marketing industry right after their graduation. Teaching. Students who enjoy gaining more knowledge about the subject can consider teaching at the school level and at the college level. At the school level, teachers are required to hold a B.Ed degree along with an MA Political Science, and at the college level, teachers need to qualify examinations such as UGC, NET, SET or hold a PhD. There are so many other options in the art stream. Students and parents need to just be aware about it. Thank you.